guys, we're doing another vlog. So this one I decided to be like self-care vlog. So we are heading out to get our hair did, guys. But first we need coffee. We need all the coffee. We have our Starbucks. This is an ice flat white, but it's with like vanilla cold foam, and it's like really good. It's only like 103 calories. I just got like a tall, but it's just nice to have something that's kind of like sweet, but not terrible for you at the same time. You like my one earring mask? It's the latest from Milan. Yes, we that fancy. We're that fancy here. I don't know what this accent is. I apologize. But yeah, guys, we are getting ready for some self-care. I'm in the parking lot waiting for them. Ooh, I just got a text. It says they're ready for me. I know you're shocked, guys. I am not a natural redhead. I know this is going to be shocking, but I'm not natural. Let's get all beautiful, shall we? Hair flipping is going to be absolutely epic today. Hey guys, I am in my house right now and I'm like looking at my computer, and I had to like show you something. So I did this video that you saw. I just now got from Yugi's Closet, like they're actually giving me more money for items than for like Fashion File. So this walk Fashion File offered me $700 for, and Yugi's Closet got it, and they gave me like an estimate of what they would like give me for it. And I don't know if you see, I got $910, and I bought the walk for $507. So right now I am getting on Fashion File and I am purchasing my hair bag. So excited. I can't wait to share this with you guys. I got some stuff in today. I got some new like swimwear. So, and a new pair of shoes I wanted to show you. So here's something funny. So like I got all this stuff on Italius, and I was like, oh, this is like a great deal for this one bathing suit. It was Moschino bathing suit. And I was like, oh, this is such a great deal. I totally like need to snatch this up. It was just the bottoms. Or just the bottoms. No wonder it was such a great deal. So I have since ordered the top, so that's coming. But then I got this cool like Ghani bathing suit. It's kind of like, it was like confusing at first because I was like, one of those bathing suits where you're like, which one's the front, which one's the back? Because it's a one piece, but it's just like, it's got like a deep V in it, but it's really nice on. But it's like one of those ones. Here, let me say. Look at this. It's like, where's the front? Where's the back? But this is the front right here. Super cute. And like the back is like a deep V. Super cute, but it's one of those ones that I could like, I'm sitting by the pool relaxing by myself, because if my son literally grabs my strap in any way, like I am flashing the world. So, but yeah, it's super cute. Love it. And then these are the bottoms that I just got, which I thought was like an amazing deal. But it's cute. It's like a cute little bikini top. So I'll have to show you that when that comes in. And let me show you the shoes I got. Look how stinky cute these are. What do we think? Like, I got sold. I just love this pink color. I don't know who I am. Like, I'm turning into like a total, I don't get it. Turning into like a total girly girl with this pink. I don't understand. Let me put them on. Thank you for spin around the block. It's really nice. So I'm trying to get like some stuff for summer. And I don't know if I told you guys this. I don't think I did, but I've like lost like 15 pounds. I did a couple thirst traps on Instagram. So if you don't follow me, it's She's the Posh on Instagram. But I decided to like treat myself and get some like bathing suits and, you know, fun summer stuff. So let me show you the shoes. Here they are right here. These are so stinking cute. I decided to go with these. I almost was gonna get the LV. There's these LV wedged ones I was thinking about getting for my new summer shoe, but I'm like, who am I kidding, Jess? Like, what would I wear the most? And these flats is something I would definitely wear a lot more than an LV wedge. And plus I got these on sale at Italia's under retail. We are doing another self-care day today. I'm getting a facial to work on this baggage that I have that's not designer. But speaking of baggage, I am wearing my new to me bag. Yeah, I'm carrying this cutie right here. It's a rainy day. Perfect is getting the Prada nylon. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go get, glowy, get beautiful. I have a pimple right here. It's like going away, but like it's so annoying. I hate pimples. It's like, I'm 37. Why do I still get pimples? Oh, that's so cool.
Not this the coolest.
24 karat.
24 karat.
Remember Austin Powers?
Yes.
Hey guys, so I have my makeup on now. You saw the before and after results. And I just want to say something like about self-care and all this stuff. Like we spend so much money getting like our hair done, like on our handbags, on like clothing, different things like that. I don't feel like people do like a lot of like facial things. Like we do skincare and that kind of stuff and makeup. But every month, like I try to at least every month or at least every 6 to 8 weeks, like get a facial of some sort done, because like our skin, it is harder to reverse damage done to your skin. It's easier actually to prevent damage. So like I try to keep a really good skin routine, and then also doing facials and things like that for me is like maintenance. It is like maintaining my skin, keeping me like when I turn 40 in a couple years, I want to be like, yeah, I'm 40. Like I want to be able to brag about it because my skin's so nice. And I was teasing them. I was like, I'm so glad that like I didn't go tanning when I was younger. Plus because I couldn't afford it. Like I couldn't afford to do all these tanning, because like I'll look at some of the girls in our school that went tanning all the time, and their skin, it like really ages you. And luckily I didn't do that, and I burn easy, so I'd always like put tons and tons of like sunscreen on and stuff like that. So yeah, I really feel like taking care of your skin is not something that is said enough. I know all these influencers stuff will tell you skincare products. They'll say, oh, do this skincare product, use this, it's a miracle. No, like you need to just like have someone professionally do your skin. And at the same time, like they know what works with your skin, have them recommend products to you, because the products I use, like I could recommend them to you, but I got them from someone that does my facials, and she knows my skin. I've had great results with it, as well as taking like collagen and different vitamins and things like that. So like I could I share with you what I use, but you really need to just like find someone that gives really good facials, find someone that you trust and do things like that, and get it done. Get that maintenance. Take care of your beautiful skin, because it's the only skin we get and we need to just help protect it, So we can smile without fear of smile lines, right? And judge people without fear of frown lines, right? Hey guys, Jess here. And again with like, this is the personal wellness vlog or whatever, but just some of the self-care things I do is I love plants. So something I'm doing right now is I am working on this Hoya that I have right here. And see how it's kind of thin on that one side. I wanted to like have more on the other side, make the plant more full. So I've been like propagating, and this is something I love to do. So let me show you my little propagating station. So I got these cute little things like I think this was on Amazon. And I just had these little water things. And so I took some of the Hoyas here and rooted them in water. So these ones have some decent like roots right here. And so I'm going to put it in my pot. But this is just something like I love to do. And then I've been like sharing my plants with people, sending them some of my cuttings, and I love being able to share that with people. And like my plant collection has definitely grown during 2020 and into 2021. So it's just something fun that I enjoy. So I'm more than just handbags people. I love nature. and long walks on the beach and all that stuff. But yeah, so we are putting this little rooted cutting, the other one didn't quite root yet, into this pot to make it look fuller, and I'm sharing that with you because it's my channel and I can do nerdy stuff like this and get away with it. I used to be one of those people that thought that I would like kill plants. Like, did anyone else? Like, I just thought I do not have a green thumb. I'm better with like cut flowers and different things like that. But what I realized, I'm actually like kind of a natural at it. So I'm gonna put this back in its home, but I don't know, I'm just kind of natural at it. And like, let me show you my plant collection because it is really grown. So it's kind of cool. Like, just, I don't have like pretty much common plants. I don't do lots of rare plants. I mean, this is kind of rare. This is my string of hearts, like variegated. And yeah, I love this. And I have some here that I have been propagating. Some string collections, string of bananas, string of pearls, another string of bananas for my girl Tiffany, and I have another string of hearts here that I am trying to propagate. Yeah, and cute little plants. This is Finster. I do name them too. So I have that here. I have like literally a swing, you know, like love, little plants and things, little section here. And look, this one is totally, like, I love this time of year because everything starts like grow and get bigger. And this is Monster, my Monstera. Look at this, like the leaves split as they get older. So like here are the younger leaves. They do not, and then they see they got splits, and as they get bigger, they get like huge splits. And now she is back in her home. It just looks like a little bit fuller and nice. And as soon as the other one's ready, I'm gonna add it. We have little snake plants. Baby Groot. Right there, that's my husband and I when we were like babies. This is his like little gaming room area. Another self-care day. We are doing our yoga today. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog that I did. I think what I'm gonna do, like my vlogs, I'm gonna try to do it like themed and things so that like throughout the month I'm showing you something is like theme based instead of just like all the stuff I do. But this one was just like taking care of yourself, self-care that I think everyone should be doing. And I had both of my appointments scheduled really close together. So I thought I would share that with you, share with you my yoga, my plants, some things that I do to keep myself, you know, sane as best as possible. So guys, let me know what you do. Like, what kind of self-care things do you do? What are some very important things that we should all be doing? And I know we're all about handbags and fun shopping, different things like that, but you need to take care of yourself as moms, as businesswomen, as businessmen, and just what makes you happy? What makes you feel like your heart sing? What just makes you feel centered and happy? And just make sure you're taking care of yourself. Even if you're not going anywhere, even if you're not like necessarily leaving the house, what are some self-care things that you can do at home that just makes you feel gorgeous? Because even when I wasn't leaving for lockdown, I do leave some, I was always getting ready every morning. I would get dressed, I'd get out of my pajamas, I'd put on fresh Spanx or leggings, and I would put a little bit of makeup on because it just made me feel so good about myself. So I appreciate you sharing what you do in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.